Okay, cellphone na yung hawak natin kasi nakatago na yung DJI. Nakabihis na kami. Ready na. Ang init guys, promise.
Hindi na ako masaktan.
Sobrang init, malala. As in, parang 40 degrees Celsius na ata siya. And then sobrang draining ng init. Gantay lang tayo ng instructions nila and then pupunta na tayo dun sa area kung saan tayo mag-start. Andito na yung sasakyan namin guys. Nandito tayo sa may water rafting area but wala pa yung mga kasama ko. Kasi nagbukod kami ng bus or ng coaster. Ang mga kasama ko mga Polish. So inantay ko pa sila Diana. Ako lang yung nabukod ng coaster. So antayin natin sila. Masyado daw mainit yung tubig. So inalaw naman muna mag-swimming habang hindi pa daw mag-start. So tingnan, video muna tayo. Kompleto na kami. Hindi ko alam kung na-excite ba kami o naiinitan na kaming malala. Sobrang init guys. Preparation na. Purong daw muna tayo. Ayan. So yun yung mga sasakyan natin.
Okay guys, everybody create a little circle for the...
Ayan na guys! Rapid! Gusto ko yung mas lubog pa. Wow! Ang saya. Wow! Okay, forward na muna.
Let's go! You are the... Forward! Forward! Go! First time in Albania?
Yeah!
In the Vjota River now is the normally, but you can start the season in the January, February. In the river you can go 5 meters higher of the nivel português. And the winter, in November, December, you can put on the lot of raining here and the snow in the mountain, in the river you can go 15 meters higher. And one trip you can go now in the 2 hours, in the winter is possible for 15 minutes. 36 kilometers from hour in the river is very steep. And the winter you can stay on the 3 months in the chocolate water on the color in the river. But in the lot of the sentiments for the raining and the snow, you can coming down in the river, you can stay on the chocolate. Now in the summer is the blue water. And this river I have a 3 family on the fish, trout on the red and trout on the black. One is the next family in the crab fishing and one is another family on the catfish. Here you can fishing all of the person, not you can pay for the license, not you can pay for the fish. But it's the 1 month in the May in the fishermen, no fishing on the river, but I respect on the nature. No piranha, no crocodiles here, only shark. This joke, don't worry. And here in the nature I living in the more animals, wolf, bear, snake, eagle, fox. Original goat. I have a 1 family for 20 on the mountain here. Forward.
Okay, game na guys. As you can see guys, we are now experiencing the exhilarating Vjosa River rafting in Albania. It is one of the Europe's last wild rivers. It navigates thrilling class 2 and 3 rapids, carving through stunning canyons and pristine wilderness. Professional guides lead the way, ensuring both adrenaline and safety amidst breathtaking landscapes. It is an unforgettable adventure for thrill seekers and nature lovers alike. While you are enjoying our rapids and the videos from the water rafting, let me give you some fun facts and trivias about the rafting in Permet, Albania. So as you all know guys, this is the Europe's last wild river. The Vjosa River, where rafting in Permet takes place, is famously known as one of the Europe's last truly wild and free-flowing rivers. This means it's untouched by dams or diversions for its entire 270-kilometer course, offering a unique, untamed experience. In addition, the section of the Vjosa near Permet typically features Class 3 rapids, providing an exciting balance of adrenaline and manageability for both beginners and experienced rafters. In springtime, with higher water levels, some sections can be reached Class 4. Another information for you to know is the river is often described as the blue vein of Permet, flowing through stunning natural landscapes, including canyons, lush riverbanks, and unique rock formations.
Yeah. Are you a vlogger? Yeah. Okay. Naka-click na.
The Vjosa River in Permet is simply breathtaking. Imagine crystal clear turquoise waters carving through dramatic canyons, surrounded by lush, untouched greenery. Every turn reveals a stunning new vista of pristine nature. It's truly a hidden gem, where the river's clarity and the majestic scenery create an unforgettable, picture-perfect experience. Ayan, nandito tayo sa isang spot na pwede tayo daw mag-swimming and mag-cliff diving. So, pakita natin siya sa inyo. Medyo mataas siya, para siyang sa Cebu, guys. And then, but it's so nice. Wait lang, mag-picture muna daw kami. As you can see guys, ayan, pwede kang tumalon dyan. Meron niyang 50 meters and merong mas mababa, but I don't know kung ano yung mababa. I tried the 50 meters and nandun yun sa Instagram natin. And ayan yung binivideohan ni RM na pogi na tatalon.
Yan, ayan labo. Yan, laba, yan ang view. Lapit, dito ko tumingin. Yan ang view, oh. Binibidyo ako to.
Ayun guys, may mga tumatalon. Ito na yung cliff diving. Ninervous na siya. Ang nabilis niya umakyat bago ninervous siya daw. Kita ba?
Jump! 1, 2, jump!
Ayan, sabi nila guys, meron din daw tayo nito sa Cagayan de Oro City. And sobrang gusto ko din yung matry. Pero yun nga, dahil nandito tayo mas malapit, we tried it here in Albania. Isa guys sa mga pinakamasayang experience dito is where nakabanding mo yung iba't ibang nationalities. Like for us, we have a family from Belgium on where we had a great time with them along with the Albanian tour guide na naglilibot-libot kami all throughout the course of the rapids while splashing water sa iba't ibang mga nakakasabay namin. It was really fun experience guys.
Yeah, fight!
As we go along sa course, guys, the tour guide is explaining some things, some history, some trivias, and some informations about the river itself. And after that, nagpunta na kami dun sa medyo exciting na rapids, guys. You can watch it here. Many rafting tours in Permet offers more than just paddling. You'll often have opportunities to cool down with refreshing swims in calmer sections, or even dare to jump from the rocks into the clear waters just like what you have saw on the previous video. Na guys, rapids na ulit! Tayo ulit na makikita, guys, para din ako mag-montage ng marami. Ito na daw yung pinaka malala. Ayun na! Katin yung bigat, guys. Sana may makita pa tayo para may ma-videoan tayo. Yan, tapos na yung ating water rafting. And it's one of the best experience so far. Kasi ito pa lang naman yung nagagawa namin. Pero masaya siya. Try nyo, guys.
Mas kulado na kami.
Kasi hindi siya ganun ka-extreme, but good siya para sa mga gusto lang maka-experience ng ganitong thing. So, pabalik na kami, and then next naman tayo sa may thermal bath. So after our rafting, wow, English, because there's someone watching. I'll try to speak in English continuously. Wow. Anyway, hindi natin kaya yun. Kaya naman natin, pero awkward lang. Nandito tayo ngayon sa may thermal bath. And ito na yung last part ng first vlog natin kasi I feel like mahaba na yung vlog natin. So, meron ditong thermal bath malapit dito sa pinag-water raftingan namin. So, may bayad yata to. Let's see. Hindi pa namin sure. Lalagay ko na lang din dyan yung location kung saan siya. Para if ever guys, after nyo ng water rafting, makapunta kayo dito at makaligo kayo. So, maglalakad na lang muna tayo. Then, doon na tayo mag-next vlog. Okay? As you can see now, this is the area no a thermal bath already. So, may iba't ibang temperature. Ano daw? Yun nga. May iba't ibang temperature na daw yan. And nagva-vary daw. Pwede pang heart, pwede pang ganon. Yun yung discussion kanina sa rafting. So, bigyan natin siya ng magandang montage and then maglalakad pa tayo. Grabe yung tulay nila. Walang ano oh. Walang kapitan. Okay. Ayan na siya guys. Yung thermal bath. Tsaka si kuya.
Kasi pumusya ang...
Kasi taki pumusya.
Kasi pumusya.
Hindi naman mukhang malamig.
Ito, parang sa paa.
Hindi nga.
Lilipat kami guys dun sa una nating pinakita, yung sa may tabi ng tulay. Kasi hindi mainit yung napuntahan namin. So, should we try? Sabi nila yun lang daw, baka daw yung gilid lang yung bago malamig daw yung gilid, yung gitna lang yung mainit. Baka kasi gabi na, patay na yung Nagtitipid. Hindi guys, walang heater ha, kasi natural nga. Anyway, bumalik kami. Yan, nag-thermal bath lang kami guys. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko mapapagsunod-sunod to. DJI, cellphone, GoPro, but we'll find ways, okay?
Yay, BBO.
So, hindi siya ganun kainit as expected namin, pero okay naman siya guys. Ayan, naliligo lang kami siguro mga 10 minutes.
Kinis ako lang mo, hindi nagpasilik sa araw kanina.
Basi, look at that skin.
Sino ka, sir?
Yeah.
Share
Salamat.
mo naman yung skincare mo, kuya.
Ano po yun?
Sulfur lang yun.
Sulfur. Tsaka lumot. Dito maganda ilaw, oo.
Uy, di ba mas na yun? Ano ka sa lumot?
Algae.
Algae na.
This is algae. Okay. Siya. Yun lang naman. Then after nito, ikakat na natin yung vlog din sa next part na tayo kakain na tayo.
Ako may pera pa kami.
Yeah, that's the thing guys. You need to have cash. Because everything here is cash-based transaction.
Wow! English!
Yes, full English.
Breakfast.
Full English breakfast with beans and toast. That's it. So after ng ating nakakapagod pero napakasayang activity ng water rafting dyan sa Permet, ay meron tayong pinuntahan na thermal bath na hindi pala natin babayaran ng 2 pounds on where it's free. So yung benefit naman guys ng thermal baths ay para pantanggal ng mga pain all over the body, to improve our blood circulation, to detoxify as well, and kung meron kang mga problems sa balat mo, you can have it clear dahil din sa tulong ng sulfur, silica at zinc na matatagpuan natin sa thermal water, and to increase our immune system as well. So I think I will end the vlog here guys. Marami naman tayo nalibot. We've been to Tirana nga dahil doon tayo nagmula from the airport. Sobrang na-enjoy natin yung water rafting and nag-thermal bath tayo for at least half an hour, and naghilod-hilod lang din tayo. For sure there are clips naman na nakasama dyan. So if ever guys that you enjoyed the vlog, not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please hit the notification bell for you to be updated on our next uploads. So we will be going back Sa Mil, it will be a 2-hour drive. It's already 7 o'clock, so we will be there around 9. Then we will be exploring Quesamil at night, and that will be on another vlog. I really do hope guys na nag-enjoy kayo sa ating videos, and yeah, all yourself if you're watching this. We really enjoyed yung time natin at yung birthday natin dito sa Albania. So yun lang guys, thank you so much and see you again sa ating next Albania vlog. Bye bye!